Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we implemented the part 1 of use case for using data operations in Power Automate. In this video, we will be continuing for its second part with some modifications. Let's get started. We are here in our Power Automate flow. We will be using the select action after the pass JSON action. Using the select action, we will be specifying the headers of the table we are creating. We will choose the output of these values from the dynamic content and the output of pass JSON action. We will now choose the create an HTML table action. We will use the output of the select action. We do not need a loop here, so we will delete this loop step and paste this team step outside the loop. In the content of the message of this teams step, we will just use the output of create an HTML table step. Finishing with the creation of this flow, we will continue for saving and testing it, and we will test it automatically with the recently used trigger. Our flow ran successfully and we have received the desired output, that is this HTML table. And that's it. In the next video, we will learn about using OData filter query in Power Automate. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.